Hey everyone, welcome to Illegal Alien Racing. I am here at the track at Dallas Karting Complex about to compete.
And I'm Doug.
And he's Doug. Hey. Let's cue the intro for Doug. So it's the first race I'm going to compete in for the year. I haven't driven hardly any this year. There's a couple of things I need to do before I get on track. Number one is replace this missing spring. These tires, you can tell, are not very good. So I'm gonna take these wheels off, buy new tires, and mount them on these rims. And I've got another set of wheels out here, and they're gonna go on the kart for practice. So our pit is set up, as you can see, and we're getting ready to get our day started. Doug's gonna help me because I can't film and do this at the same time.
You're an idiot.
No, you're an idiot. There you go. I'd like to see you work a Excel spreadsheet and formulas if I'm an idiot.
I've never seen anybody make a video out of a spring install.
All right, so these are the old tires. I gotta take them off. So to take them off, you have to deflate them. And there's these three little knobs here. Pull on one of them, twist it, and eventually it'll deflate. You'll hear it. That's it. Put them back in there, but not all the way. Take the tire off the rim. Good to go.
Boom.
Let's go snap, crackle, pop.
Hopefully it won't be too bad. I wish I could tell you what the difference in the compounds was, though. Well, I got the old compound set I was going to use for practice, and I got a new compound set. The best way I can describe it from what he shared is it's like going in 2 laps and then half a second. The new ones? Yeah. New compound, you can overheat them easier? Well, I know. That's what we're finding out at the national level. I mean, I've been using it for 5 months now. You know,
just came off the track doing the very first run, going backwards in the KA100. It's a lot faster than the rental kart, so the braking's definitely different. Going into the bowl, you're carrying a lot of speed, and it's like, can I go faster? And like, yeah, maybe, but it's not right now. Still too chicken. Got done with practice too. It's really humid out here, but luckily the sun's not out, so we're gonna take a little bit of a break, hydrate, eat some snacks. So I've got a Quest protein bar. I've got this kind caramel almond and sea salt. It's really good. Of course, pickle juice. This is the best stuff ever. If you want to pick this up, I buy this at either the neighborhood Walmart or Walmart, and I think it's actually in the pickle aisle, not the sports drinks aisle. So if you're looking for it, really good stuff. And then of course a little Gator Light Gatorade, and I'll put some water in there as well. I've been drinking a little bit of water on and on, so just trying to stay hydrated as much as possible. Practice is over, so it's time to put on the brand new racing tires. I don't know how to hit them. All right, we just got done qualifying and I'm still breathing a little heavy, but out of 9 drivers, I qualified 5th with a 54.265. Pole position's 53.207, so I'm a full second behind the pole sitter, so it's not good. And Doug is 54 flat, so I'm 2/10 behind him. He got 3rd overall in qualifying. So we're gonna get a drink, kind of hang out for a little bit. The pre-finals are gonna start here pretty soon, and we'll get this thing going. Good luck. This way.
Hey, thank you.
Good luck, Randy.
Hi,
Be
brother.
safe. Good luck, Tam.
Good luck.
Good luck, Doug. Good luck, bro. Good luck, bro. Hey everyone, I hope you're enjoying spending the racing day with me. Let's jump into the number 32 Illegal Alien Racing Kart and let's go racing. Jesse, the race director out at Dallas Karting Complex, gives us a thumbs up. We are good to go on track. We're gonna go green just after the start finish line. So we're not gonna get tons of time to warm our tires up. Not a big deal though, pretty warm day. I'm gonna drive across the track, try to build a little heat into the tires, but more so exiting the turns, you'll see me kind of slide the cart and make the correction. I'm doing that to try to build some heat into the tires a little faster. If you're new to karting and doing your research, welcome. I'm going to try to explain everything that I'm looking at and thinking about here in this race. If you're a normal viewer, welcome back. Always glad to have you aboard. Right here, we're going to build some speed and be more aggressive on the brakes to build heat into the brakes. We only have brakes in the rear. It's super important that they work going into the first turn once we start racing. One more little whip right there. Look on the right hand side, that orange cone, that is a commitment cone. We need to be in formation and ready to go racing. No more warming your tires up after that. I'm going to settle in behind number 76. That is Doug, who's pitted next to me. On pole is a different Doug. Next to him is Randy, and behind Randy in 4th is Tam in 446. There are 9 people on track. 8 of us are in the Masters class. The other driver, the 9th one in the very back, he's running a different engine package. We're looking at James, the flagman on the right, looking for green. Green flag, here we go. I'm gonna stay in line behind Doug here. Gonna be a little ginger here on the first corner here. I don't wanna slide out and get into somebody. The bottom in 234 is John. The very aggressive move, kind of blocks Doug a little bit. I benefit from that. And we go in the 4th spot. John in the green cart there, he is good enough to win this race. Very good driver. The problem is he's on old tires and the rest of us are on brand new tires. So he pretty much doesn't have a shot at winning this race just based off of that. Into the lead is Doug, followed by Randy, and then Tam in 4th. I'm sorry, Tam in 3rd, I'm in 4th. Completing the first lap, we'll have a look behind us. And in the red and white Burrell, that is Jacob. He started racing last year, so he's a new karter still. Super cool guy. What's up, Jacob? Two guys up ahead, Doug and Randy, as mentioned earlier in the video, they were about a second faster than me in qualifying, so I expect them to drive away. For me, realistically, my only shot is getting 3rd place. That should be my best result just based on how qualifying went. So that's what we're going for in this race. I'm trying to hit all of my little marks and stay super consistent and not make any mistakes and beat myself. See Tam drop the wheel there. I'm going to go up behind him. Kind of a big bump there. You see him pull away. So I've been racing for about 7 years, and as I go back and I watch these, I'm still trying to learn and pick up little things that I do wrong or ways to get better. And right there, what I think I could have done different is maybe slow down a little bit and just connect it to his rear bumper versus giving him a big push and pushing him away from me, because I really have no shot of making a move going into the next hairpin, which is a really good passing area. So maybe I'll slow down and just stick on the rear bumper next time for the next race. Always trying to learn and improve and get better. So right here, I make a mistake on this right-hander, right? There, I drive off of the track a little bit. You hear the cart kind of bottom out. I've got chassis protectors on this cart, so it's not going to hurt the cart, but it definitely hurts my exit onto this turn. You see the 2 liters slowly pulling away, which is expected, not a big deal. This is the first time going in this direction. And all of us in the K100, everyone racing this day, this is the first time we've done it. So definitely a new experience. The track flows really fast. It's a lot of fun. I've driven this once before in this direction in a rental cart, but a rental cart and these carts are completely 2 different things. These are much faster and handle way better. All right, that time I don't drive off track, so that's an improvement. That's good. I seem to catch them once our carts get wound up. And we're going to give Sean Owens at Dallas Karting Complex the credit, maybe. He rebuilt my engine a few hours ago. It's only a few hours old, and it's running really well. You see me get up there right on his bumper. Don't really have the opportunity to pass, so we're going to hang out behind him. So like right here, I know that I want to try to pass him on the exit of the final turn going to the start-finish line. So I'm trying to set this up several turns before by staying as close as possible to him. And if he makes a mistake, I'm close enough to capitalize if he happens to make one, but I can't make any mistakes either. We both get a good exit. You see me really start to catch him. It's looking pretty good. We're going to the bottom. Let's make the move. I really screwed this up. Watch this. Cam does an excellent job of keeping the outside and protecting his spot. What I did wrong there was I was too far to the bottom. I should have been a lot closer to him, which would have given me a better entry and exit out of that corner and not giving him a chance to keep it wound up on the outside. So I screwed that up. So we're going to still stay in it and try to get that spot. We got a few more laps to go. Give him another big bump. And again, I'm trying to catch him on, I'm trying to pass him on that exit to the start-finish line. So let's set this up, if we can, several turns before. And again, I'm waiting for him to make a little mistake too. If I can capitalize, that'll be easier for me. And right there, he slides out just a little bit, but I'm close enough to make the move. His momentum really gets hurt really bad when that happens. So we try not to slide out too much if we can help it. Now here I'm going to try to lay down really fast qualifying laps. I'm not going to defend. If he can come back and pass me, then he comes back and he passes me. I'm not going to alter my lines or anything at this point. No reason to. Let's try to create some distance. Turn around right there. I see a little bit of a gap's opened up, so we're going to just stay with the strategy. I look down at my Micron, which is a little computer on the steering wheel. You see that little green dot? Lets me know that I'm going faster by I think about 1/10 than my fastest lap, so that's good news. Now it's 2/10. That's even better news. Now it's 1/10. That's not good news. Now it's no tenths. That's not good. But it goes back green and I run my fastest lap of the race at this point, so that's good. Gap is opening up. And I do run my fastest lap of the race on this lap. Two guys up front, they're in a different class. They are gone. Can't even really see them anymore. The final race is coming up, which is one of my most satisfying races that I've ever driven. We'll just say that. I'm going to post it in a separate video. I hope you join me for that one as well. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll try to answer them, or someone else will jump in and answer them for you if I don't, or if I don't know the answer. That's always a possibility. All right, coming across start finish line, we get in third. Thanks so much for riding along with me. I'll see you on the next one.
Okay, that was fun.